Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to send multiple pictures to a WhatsApp group using WhatsApp Web on your PC. This feature is part of the new update, and it makes sharing moments with your friends and family easier than ever. So let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps together. First, open your browser and go to WhatsApp Web. You'll see a QR code on the screen. Now, grab your phone, open WhatsApp, tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and select linked devices. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR code on your computer screen. In just a second, your WhatsApp account will appear right there on your PC. Once you're in, find the group where you want to share your photos. You can use the search bar at the top or scroll through your chat list until you find the group. Click on the group name and the chat window will open on the right side. So now, look for the plus icon near the message box at the bottom of the screen. When you click on it, a small menu will pop up with several options. Choose Photos and Videos. This will open a File Explorer window on your PC. Next, navigate to the folder where your pictures are stored. Here's the great part. You can select multiple photos at once. To do this, hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking each picture you want to send. Once you've selected them all, click Open and you'll see them appear in WhatsApp Web ready for preview. Before sending, you can also add captions or emojis to any of the images if you want. After everything looks right, simply click the green send button at the bottom right. And that's it. All your selected photos will be sent to the group instantly. It's quick, simple, and perfect for times when you want to share memories directly from your computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more easy tech tips, and let me know in the comments what other WhatsApp tricks you'd like to learn next.